Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one notebook in Node.js in JavaScript. I hope you will also enjoy this project like I enjoyed my previous projects of Node.js in JavaScript. But before that, I hope till here you are fine and enjoying my videos. And I will be also uploading some of the other videos of Node.js like I'm telling you in my previous videos also, like now the videos which will be uploading will be of Node.js, and it will be really helpful for you if you want to learn Node.js and want to become a full stack developer of Node.js. So that videos which I am uploading are really helpful for you. So just practice that all videos which I am uploading, because it is really helpful for you if you want to become a Node.js developer. And I will be also uploading some of the Python tutorials and other things in future when we'll be completing Node.js. Like we'll be working on with our Python framework which is called Django and Flask in future. But first of all, we'll be cover Node.js, then Django, then we'll be cover Flask and other machine learning things, because that all things will be really helpful for you in your professional life if you want to become a Python full stack developer or any other language full stack developer, because I will be covering up many of the languages here on my channel which will be really helpful for you. So now we'll be starting with our project. So like I'm telling you, we'll be just making our notepad in like notebook, sorry, we'll be just making in Node.js. So that notebook is a backend word, so I can just only show you in terminal, I can't show you just like simply here. So first of all, for making that, I'll be opening my VS Code, then you can run it in command prompt, or you can also run it in your VS Code terminal, it's your choice. And if you are using any other text editor, so you can just run in that terminal. So just I'll be open VS Code, or if you want to work with Atom text editor, you can also open that, it's your choice. So you can see now my text editor has been opened. So here I've just already made the file like previously I've made. Here just I'll be raising these all codes, and I will be just writing this code which is already written, so I don't have to write. Just I'll be zoom in so you can see the codes which I will be writing here. So now when you're done with that thing, just you have to move down here, then you have to just write one thing like here, just move, and then you have to make a div tag in which I will be storing my all the things which I have to write. So just I'll be writing div class name in which I will be writing node, then just I'll be closing this here, and I'll be just pressing enter here in which I'll be writing all the code. So just move and write here a tag which should be like navbar navigation equal, then you have to write here JS, which is a full form, which is a short form of JavaScript. Here I'll be now closing, making a curly bracket in which I will be defining navbar.app, then I will be writing here like dot sidebar. Just close this bracket which you have written at the starting, then move here, write here like index number, then you have to move and just write that to like array, close here, then you have to write here like float dot array, then move and write that to like index. So when you've done with that, just I'll be closing that with the curly bracket. Just you have to move here, then just you have to move down here, and then write that to a tag which should be like object, and then you have to change that to like for equal each. So just close here, then when you've done with that, just you have to make a curly bracket in which I will be writing import, just write here import dot float, and then you have to write script. Just you have to close that again here. So just I will be showing you where is the terminal if you want to run this. So just press terminal, press new terminal, just write your file name where you have stored, and just press enter, then it will be showing all the details of your file and thing which you have made into your file. So here I will be moving down, then I will be writing that to a tag which should be like output, make that, then you have to write here group equal, then change that to a tag which should be like import, close here, then write that to like for dot each, then you have to write here output, just close here. So you can see we have done with that. Just I'll be moving down, then I will be writing that to like array buffer, like previously we have written that. Then I will be just moving forward and writing that to like class, closing here and writing a curly bracket again in which I will be writing that to like sidebar dot node dot javascript. Just you have to write JavaScript in full form. Just take care about that. You don't write JavaScript in short form. If you do that, so it will be error, and it can just understand any other code word, or you can say any other tag which you are writing. So here I'll be now moving. Then I will be writing that to a tag which will be like no script. So take care about one thing also, like no script and script has a big difference between them, because script means like you are scripting the line which you are writing of the code, and no script means like there is and not any of the script in our line or tag which we are writing. So here I'll be now moving, writing a class, and now here I'll be writing name because we have to write a class name. After that, making a curly bracket again like at the top we have done many times, Here I will be now writing no script because it is not any script line. So take care about one thing when you are writing a no script tag. So here when you are writing curly bracket in which you have to also write no script, so you can define this is a no script which we are defining here, means it is a no script line, so we can't define many of the like keywords in that. So here I'll be now moving here. Now I will be writing that to a tag which should be like app. Just I'll be now closing. So you can see we have done till here. So I'll be now moving down enough again. Then I will be making this tag again previously which we have made. Then here I'll be writing option, then move forward, and then you have to write that to a tag which should be like name equal. Then you have to write here like JS, which is a short form of JavaScript. So you can also write JavaScript full form if you want to write, so it should be not waste of time. So because of that I'm writing JS. Then just move here and writing option dot, then you have to write another tag which should be like script dot flow, because it is not any of the like flow, no script tag here, so this is a script line. So because of that I'm writing a script tag here. Then I will be making this tag again. Here I will be now writing that to like path. Then write here pattern, because in this pattern tag I'll be defining my class, or you can say any other thing which you want to write. Here I'll be now writing from and close here, make a curly bracket in which I'll be writing path dot pattern. Then you have to write that to a tag which should be like script. So now when you're done with that, just I'll be now closing, but you don't write a script here because at the top you have already done, and it can just understand you are writing a script tag and defining a script line here. So we can write path here, so we can define it here path tag. So we have written path 2 times here, so don't care about that. Just move down here. Then you have to just write a tag here which should be like pattern, because like at the top we have written path like that. So here I'll be now writing path, and then I will be changing this to a tag which will be like animation. Then I'll be closing here and making a curly bracket in which I'll be writing pattern dot animate dot floor, and then I'll be writing dot random. So you can see we have done with that thing. Just I'll be now closing here. So when you're done with that, just I'll be now moving down again. Then here I'll be making this tag here in which I will be writing that to a tag which will be like index. If I write here, so we have just already written index, so we have to write number here because number is a tag which we have not written here at the starting. Then I'll be writing div after that. Here I'll be now writing external. Then you have to close here and just make a tag which should be like number dot external. Okay, so write that, then write dot flow. Just you have to do one thing here, like just close this tag here, and then I'll be just moving forward and I'll be moving down here. Now here I will be writing that to a tag which should be like you can say here I'll be now writing external if I write, so it will be also not problem for you. Then I'll be writing here script equal export. Then you have to close here, make a tag which should be like external, which we have already done. So here I'll be now writing internal dot section. Then you have to write dot flow. Just you have to close this tag here like we have written. Then I will be just moving down here. Then I will be writing that to a tag which should be like just you can write here a tag which should be array. If I write here, so we have just already done array, so we can just write here like animation at the starting which we have not written. Then I'll be writing webkit equal expert, so just write that. Now just I'll be closing this again. Then I'll be making a curly bracket here like we have made previously. Then I'll be writing animation dot effect, because now we have to just give it a effect like node like notepad which we are making, or you can say notebook. So here I'll be now writing that to like animate, so we can also animate that with the help of our animation which we are just putting in that and the effect. Here I'll be now closing this tag here. So when you're done with that, just I'll be now moving down. Then I will be writing that to a tag which will be like over. So here I'll be now writing overall equal. Then you have to change that to a tag which will be like class, which we have already done. So here I can write like effect, so it should be also not effect on these things here. So here I'll be writing over dot float. Then I'll be writing animate dot effect. So you can see we have done with that thing. Just I'll be now closing that. Just erase this animate from here, then write animate after it, so it can just not come underneath this effect tag. So here I'll be now writing these all things. Then I'll be just moving down. So when you're done with that thing, just you have to erase that all things. Go to file, press save button, and when you will be just going to terminal and running that, so your notebook or you can say notepad should be just ready. In that you can write any thing you want to. Just don't write any of the code thing because it can just not appear any code thing here. You can but write anything in that. So you can just see like this. This is the notebook which we have made, and successfully now you can see we have just made our notebook in, or you can say notepad in our Node.js, and I hope you understand how to build one notebook in Node.js and Notepad also. So just practice all project we are working with, and I hope you'll be able to run out that. So I'll be uploading many of the Node.js videos in future, which will be really helpful for you. So practice that previous videos also which we have uploaded, because that is also really helpful for you if you want to learn Node.js and become a full stack developer of that. So just I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, good bye.